therefore, the aim of the society has been to connect with the largest number of children and introduce them to the wonders of science, not in an academic way, which of course they do in schools, but through quizzes, competitions, exhibitions, fairs, lectures, films, and become instrumental in at least a small number of them deciding to pursue a career in science. The society has been functioning for the last 15 years under the stewardship of Dr. and Mrs. Ratna Shastri, who, as you all know, has worked tirelessly and with great passion to bring the society to what it is today. A unique, one-of-a-kind body engaged in a range of activities connected with the promotion of science, covering schools, universities, premier research institutions in Andhra Pradesh, now of course Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And during the last couple of years, we've also started having some participation from schools and institutions in Chennai and Bangalore. One of the most popular activities of the society has been the annual science quiz, which has now become a must participate event in the calendar of activities of a large number of schools in Andhra and Telangana. To facilitate more participation, we have now been holding functions, these competitions at Tirupati, Vijayawada, Vizag and Warangal, and we've now reached a stage where we've had to start limiting the number of teams that can participate. During this current year, we had a competition where over 200 schools with about 500 children have participated in the quiz competition. We also hold an annual science fair that has become extremely popular. During the current year, we had a very large number of participants, and so much so that we actually had to constitute a team of judges to limit the number of actual participants who would come with models, and we had to reduce it, limit it to about 100 children coming from about 35 schools from different parts of the state. What has been most heartening has been some of the very outstanding participants that we've had in this science fair from rural mandals of districts, faraway districts like Chittoor, Adilabad and Srikakulam.